bottom of the Hoover Dam right now. We're on a dam tour, and our dam tour guide is Charlie.
It's the same temperature.
It's nice and cool down here.
Get inside to the right is a good view of the penstock pipe. It's underneath us.
Say hi, Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. So take a look at the large pipe. So what that is a 30-foot diameter penstock pipe. There's water going through the pipe. 96,000 gallons a second. Then come back over to this diagram. And this is 310 steps to the top of the dam. To the right of the stairs, you'll see pipes for collecting the seepage. You can see there's very little above us, the lake level being down. Pressure's not that great here. But you hear the water running in behind us. Now everyone looking up, turn around, and everyone will get a chance to see this, but look down. So they're looking down. So the tunnel's from the top to the water level below. It's an inspection tunnel. It's also the seepage gallery. This is as close as they can inspect the dam to the canyon wall. So here's your canyon, and they cut back into the canyon and put the dam against the wall. It's 1244 at the top, 78 feet wide at the base. So we have